I'm Sean from Premier Outdoor Living. We've been designing and building backyards for about 10 years now. We've built a reputation around building these high-end luxury backyards, so we're really in tune with our craftsmanship. Everything has to be tight tolerances, and our clients expect a lot, so we need to make sure that we deliver, and it all comes down to those little details. Typical things that come up with regular pressure-treated lumber, there is some variation in size of joist, so we'll have to go ahead and measure each one of them, and we'll separate them according to size so we don't have any huge waves in our joists. We'll make sure that we go ahead and plane everything nice and flat, and we'll make sure that we block it and brace it as much as possible, because as it dries out, it's gonna wanna shrink and move. TrueFrame has been great so far. Every single piece that we got was very, very consistent at that 9 inches. It's kiln dried after treatment, so not only is it lighter when you're handling it on site, which is great, but we're expecting a lot less movement. It doesn't go through that drying process where it's gonna wanna twist and move, and it was very flat. Very flat. We installed everything, did the level test on it, and everything was dead on. So saved us a ton of time, and it was just a lot easier to work with. The main benefits, I'd say, are obviously the time savings. You're not going through all of those extra steps, and it's so much easier to manage, carry around the job site because it's lighter. It's already kiln dried, so you're not going through all of that stuff to make sure it doesn't move as it dries on site. You know, you can install it, we still do all of our blocking, bracing, but we know it's not gonna have that tendency and desire to move as much as regular pressure-treated lumber would. So there's a couple options out in the market: composite framing, there's steel framing, there's aluminum framing. It's just such a cost prohibitive item. People are already spending a lot of money on their backyard, and then you bring in some of these other products and it just prices out most of our clients out of the backyard. We will absolutely be using TrueFrame a lot more in the future. I'm really excited about it. It's got a lot of upsides over traditional pressure treated, but it's not gonna price you out of the market like some of the other things that are out there. And it's pressure treated, so we know the spans, we know all of the accessories that work with it, and it's tried and true. So give it a shot on a project and see for yourself what the differences are, see how much time it saves, and see how much of a better finished product you get, and I think they'll be sold.